Hello, class. Today's topic is going to be types of dictionaries. We already studied what a dictionary and its parts, okay? What a dictionary is and its parts, and also we studied how to use the dictionary. I mean, a common dictionary that you can use for to look for any meaning of any word. Okay, so today, we're going to learn how many types, I mean, the most common ones that we can find, types of dictionaries. Okay, so we have different types of dictionaries. For example, we have the generic English language dictionaries, bilingual dictionaries, English language learners dictionaries, specialist dictionaries, collocation dictionaries, and thesaurus. Thesauri. Okay, we're gonna be discussing each one of them, and we're gonna see some examples of them. Okay, so let's begin with the generic English language dictionaries. So, since we are talking about English language, we need to know what a generic English dictionary is. So, these ones are monolingual dictionaries. Why? Because they are focused on the English language. So, monolingual, just one language. These are dictionaries that provide a definition in English. Okay, uh, these ones are focused on getting to know the meaning of words, the different meanings that they have, and the pronunciation. Okay, but only in English. Okay, they're not gonna be in Spanish or any other language. No, only in just one language. Now, let's talk about bilingual dictionaries. With the bilingual dictionaries or translation dictionary, this is a specialized dictionary used to translate words or phrases from other language from one language to another. That's why it is bilingual. It can be, for example, English, Spanish, for example, Spanish, French, Japanese, English, and so on. The main thing is that it has to be two languages in the same dictionary. So bilingual dictionaries can be unidirectional, okay? Meaning that they list the meanings of the words of one language in another, or they can be bidirectional, so allowing translation to and from both languages. Okay, that is for you to know. Now let's continue with English language learners dictionaries. Don't get confused with the generic language dictionaries. No, this one's this one is a dictionary that is designed to be used by people who are learning a language that is not their first language. In this case, English. So, for example, we have this one, this dictionary, the Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary, and the Oxford Learners Dictionary of Academic English, which provide simple definitions for students. They're not going to be that complicated that, for example, that you can find in a generic English language dictionary. That they have more technical vocabulary in this case. So that's why it's going to be easier to comprehend as a language learner, and they are focused on that. That's why you get to know, or you call them, language learners dictionaries. They're not going to be as thick as a generic dictionary. No, they're going to be a little bit thinner, and the meanings are going to be shorter. Okay. Now we have the specialists dictionaries. Specialized dictionary is a dictionary that covers a relatively restricted set of phenomena, which define specialist terms. So this type of dictionary is it's let's say it's not tricky, but it is quite unique. Why? Because they are focused in a topic. For example, in the image that we have here, the Oxford Dictionary of Mechanical Engineering, the words that we are gonna find in this dictionary are maybe they are they we can find them in an everyday conversation, but in this context specifically, the mechanical engineering, they're gonna have a different meaning. Okay, so that's why it is a specialist dictionary. Why? Because it is only focused in one branch or let's say one area of knowledge. Okay, we are not looking for the meaning of a word in different situations. No, only in this specific scenario. Now we have collocations dictionaries. In this case, we can define first what a collocation is. So a collocation can be defined as words that go together. In other words, certain words tend to go with other words. So a collocation dictionary allows you as a as a as a reader to find the most common combinations of words. So this type of dictionaries are going to help you to understand how one word can work with another word. Okay, in the most common use, I mean those words, and also for you to know and to relate when you have to use one word in certain situations. Okay, and then we have the thesauri. Thesauri, it refers to the thesaurus. A thesaurus is a book of words or maybe of information about a particular field or set of concepts, concepts. Okay, in this case, especially a book of words and their synonyms. So when we talk about a thesaurus dictionary, is referring to a dictionary which specializes in synonyms and antonyms, okay, of words. For example, the this online thesaurus dictionary, thesaurus.com. This type of dictionary is going to help you when you are trying to find a different word. I mean, to avoid repetition, when you're making an essay, a summary, or maybe a paper for the university, um, for any other reason. So it's necessary that you need to know that this type of dictionary exists. Okay? So if you have any doubt, please let me know. So thank you so much for your attention. And remember, any doubt, anything that you need to know about this type of topics that we're going to be discussing during the whole classes, please let me know so we can find a way to correct or maybe to clear your doubts. Okay, so see you next time and have an excellent day.